Boker Tov, Erev Shabbat Shalom. Continuing now with some halachot and minagim that pertain to the month of Adar. We'll progress. We'll skip the Parshat Zachor for now. We'll do that closer to next Shabbat, Bezrat Hashem. But we'll speak now about Erev Purim. We have a minhag, an ancient minhag of Taanit Esther. Where is this minhag from? What does it originate from? The Rambam in Halachot Ta'aniot or Taanit Perik He discusses. V'na'agu kol Yisrael bizmanenu, bizmanim elu, leit'anot b'shlosha asar ba'adar. All of Israel has the minhag to fast on the 13th day of Adar, which is Erev Purim. Purim is the 14th. The 13th, we have the minhag to fast. Why? Zecher le'ta'anit shenit'anu b'mei Haman. To commemorate and remember the fast that they did in the days of Haman. Shene'emar Divre atzomot ve'za'akatam. At the end of Megillat Esther, after we killed the 10 sons, and after everything, the end of the 9th chapter, the Torah tells us that to commemorate, the Megillat Esther tells us about this idea of days of fasting and calling out. Therefore, the minhag, the Midrash explains the same way that Moshe fasted and prayed out for Am Yisrael when they fought Amalek, so too Esther did it by Purim and Haman, and we do the same each and every year to commemorate the fasting and the tefillah of Esther HaMalka and all of the Jewish people at the time of the Megillah. So that being said, the halacha explains that this ta'anit is a minhag. It's merely a minhag. Doesn't mean we belittle it, but that allows us for many, many leniencies. For example, Rabbi writes, any pregnant women or any nursing women, for this ta'anit especially, are exempt from the fast. The other fasts pertain to mourning of the Beit HaMikdash and are held on a more severe stature, more severe level. Depends, there are more ramifications. There are leniencies there as well. But Taanit Esther is a minhag. The Mishayadis actually are very strict about this minhag, but it enables us, because of why we adopted it, to have leniencies. Or for example, elderly or people who are very, very weak, or for example, diabetics, there's no reason for them to even attempt or be strict on themselves to do this fast, because it's merely a minhag to commemorate what Esther went through her tefillot and her ta'aniot. These are for Erev Purim. This year applies the same for pregnant women, for nursing women, for elderly, people who are weak, and chronic illness. There's no reason to be strict and fast on themselves if they have any reason not to. We'll continue with these halachot. Have a wonderful day. Shabbat Shalom.